Welcome to the party, boys. We've got some lasagna on the table tonight. We got lasagna. Underneath that, we got some burgers. Underneath the burgers, we got some mac and cheese. And underneath the mac and cheese, we have pizza. And then we got bacon to finish it all off. Everything is set up, and it's time to get cooking.
Alright, what's step 2 while we wait for the oven to open and the burger? Guess mac and cheese?
That was Ryan's mouth going mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Probably do mac and cheese last, because if the mac gets cold, then it's gonna be nasty.
Well, we'll warm it up again.
Yeah, you just heat it up. We're gonna heat it up.
It's gonna coagulate. It's
We're not gonna heat everything back up. What? Cheese doesn't coagulate.
Yes, it does.
Have you never refrigerated?
Have you never left cheese after it's been cooked? It gets all.
This is Velveeta. You think this is real cheese?
It's not even real dairy.
Is this gonna really later?
For mac and cheese, we're gonna need more than that. We got a lot of mac and cheese here.
No, we don't.
We got a pretty good amount of mac and cheese.
I think this is probably gonna be good.
No, that won't be good.
Really?
This guy, maybe. No, that's not the right kind.
Are you an
this
idiot?
guy. I meant.
Are you
that's
also an idiot? That's the same size.
What about this?
This guy. This one was called.
That one might do
This one
it.
was Ryan.
This
Put
is
some
this
mac
is
and
fine.
cheese
This
in
is
me.
fine.
It's like
Jack, put some mac and cheese in me.
Yeah, that's a good mac and cheese pen. Gunmetal Jesus. Punished Jesus.
Lasagna.
I like the talking. I like the talking heads.
Timer for 60 minutes.
1 hour,
Fucking gay.
boys. Fucking gay. Pinch of salt. Hell yeah. That's innovation right there. It's a magnetic knifer.
What are your names?
Lid.
Cooked.
It's a lid.
You're a big microwave.
Damn good microwave. Oh, that's a tomato?
Don't mind if I do.
Gordon Ramsay. Come.
You don't just leave an open flame on. You put it on low. I need the colander. You put it on low. Stop! Don't turn it off. It's a gas stove. We could turn it off back on like an. Ryan, I swear to God. Just pour the damn noodles, alright, man? Oh my God.
Nah, you could tear it. That would be some pansy ass shit. Watch. Bam. Knife. Fuck.
Gotta fix your fucking mistake, Evan.
I'm a fucking mistake. What are you doing? Take a look.
There you go. We're good.
Separate the border.
Separate the border.
It's all good. It's all going in the lasagna. It doesn't have to look good. It just tastes good. It's a motto for you kids. It doesn't have to look good. It just has to taste good. It's a good motto, kids. Sit him up! He's a fucking pepperoni gremlin! I need the pepperoni! Get the Run! He's dead. He's not dead. Oh, Jesus.
Dude, just like sit it down.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. It's
Oh,
okay.
like this. Oh, God. Alright, so we got a pepperoni pizza. It's got a pepperoni. It's a pepperoni pizza. Fight about it. Let's go. Okay. So the last pepperoni's gone. So we got a cheese pizza now. There's no more pepperoni. Forget that there ever was pepperoni. It's just cheese. Except for that one. That one's pepperoni. Where did the pepperoni go? Shut the fuck. Goddamn goblin. No! No! It's the shape, not the size. It's how you use it, you know? This guy, it's not very big, it's not very long. It's got some girth, you know? It's got a pretty comfortable handle. That's what's important in life. Innovation.
Pizza directly on center oven
My
rack.
man, I'm gonna let you know.
I have cooked many. I've cooked many a frozen pizza.
I've also cooked many.
Unless you have a pizza stove.
It's
You have a
metal.
pizza stove?
In the oven, it gets hot, and then
Yeah, but no. But the wet, the grease, it seeps through, and then you get wet crust. Do you like wet crust?
It's going in a lasagna. It's gonna be covered in marinara sauce on every side.
But it's not grease, it's marinara. It's not how pizza works.
It's gonna be covered and cheese and Velveeta cheese.
Why bother? If it works either way, why bother
You
dirtying
can get it
metal?
off the pan, and you have somewhere to put it. Because we never put it in the lasagna.
When the pizza doesn't work.
You'll be crying to me.
Fine, it's a pizza.
You'll be crying to me. You ever just
okay.
stare at a picture of Obama?
No.
Wow. That's Obama. If you're left-handed, you're not working.
Oh my gosh. I think we're ready for bacon, boys. We want to put it on paper towel, or we just want to leave it all
We
greasy?
gotta soak the grease off.
Yeah. Get that grease out of it.
Don't just shoot it out because it's gonna roll into the burner. That would be very unfortunate.
Tomato.
Get this tomato out, Cole. You gotta get it out.
How the hell am I gonna get this in? Somebody get me like paper towel, fucking bitch. Get out of here.
Mmm.
Where are we gonna put the lasagna?
On top.
The lasagna is the piece there was this time.
Where are we gonna put the burger?
On top.
We got no room for lasagna and burger.
It's make room.
It's just pizza and mac and cheese.
This character is an out there in a place like this. She shall be on a hill somewhere with the sun and the clouds above her.
And then bacon? Okay.
This is where she belongs. She belongs with me.
It's okay.
Time to flip.
Alright, let's flip it. Whip it up, flip it up. Flip it up. Touch it. Evan, touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
Get in here, bud.
Touch it.
It's a mistake.
It's the culmination of everything that's gone wrong with humanity.
Alright, now let's even it out a little bit. We have to even it out.
It's alive! It's alive!
There it is, boys.
More crime. Lasagna. More crime. Going in.
Don't leave home without it. Take this shit away from this man.
And then how long should we just put it in there?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Take any air bubbles.
That's a lot.
What did you say about the Dothraki?
Okay. Okay. I'm ready to go. Let's fucking square up. Do it. We're in, boys. We got it.
In like sin.
I remember how scared I was from that.
Initial extraction. Ready. Go. Bam.
It's beautiful.
That's lasagna.
It's a tear to a grown man's eye.
Oops, I shitted.